Comfort's running like usual. That one, I don't even think that one has ran yet. This one over here is running for once. So that's kind of cool. This one's running actually. The little one's running. Let's get the data on this one. This one is 2009 and it's a 2-ton. I believe they're all from 2009. And then this right here is an EMIL. I'm not really sure how the name's said, but how it's pronounced, but yeah. So you've seen this one and that one run, neither of the others. Alright. My pictures, and yeah. See you guys next time.